Hey guys, it's me Aiden and I'm back again here with another video. And today I'm here with
Ava.
And we're back with another Lego Advent Calendar. So, don't forget to check out our other videos. And previously we built this one. This one. And Ava showed you hers in the last video, so be sure to check hers out. Be sure to check that one out. I got this, and I got this droid. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to go check it out. And let's
get straight into it.
I got another droid. This one's different though.
In the last video, Aiden got
I got a bigger droid in the last video, so.
Yeah, and it was weird.
It had a weird.
I think this one's from the Freemaker one.
No, I think this is a Clone Wars droid. Oh, it's the other way. There we go, that's one arm. There's two arms. The head and
He also has
a gun that you can put on it when you want to. So this was a droid. He looks like one from the Clone Wars, and he comes with this gun. So next box, number 9. And if you're wondering why I'm doing these all at once, I just had to catch up. So I'm doing these all now. I got another ship. Now, this one is the Star Wars one, and Ava has the Lego Friends one. And that, if you're wondering why I was getting so many ships, that's why. And put this in there. This there. And this there. There's one side done, and I think I do the same thing on the opposite. Yep. This part just slides in there. And you do the same on the other side. Yep. And the other side now. There we go. this to the top. And now we're doing the top part. And that is this ship. So it has this, and with that, and at the back, and then it has a little cockpit here. And moving on to the next day, number 10. And I got a ship that shoots a bullet, I think. Yep, it does. Clear the way so. And we start off with this. The bottom here. Get this. I think we used the long one. Or am I just... Where's that piece?
What piece? Where?
I'll just start from the top one. Get these. Wait, and then just get this piece. Place it in. There we go. And then just put the bullet in just like that. And now the bottom part. I'll place this like this. Okay. Then move. Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do here. And I think I'm done. So this is the next build. And it can shoot the bullet just like this. And you can just place it right in just like that. And there. So it has these little handles, so it might be like a snow machine or something. And now let's get on to day 11, final box of the day. And I got a minifigure. I got Roman Freemaker from the Freemaker Adventure. It looks like.
He has a light.
If I can get his head out. And the lightsaber. And Rowan's lightsaber has the light blue, and it also has this shiny, shiny holder. And so this is Rowan, and he has a little brown jacket with spiky hair, and he has one face, and he has, under his brown jacket, he has a blue shirt, and he has a belt, and on the back he has the Freemaker symbol. And it also comes with an extra lightsaber part. So that was our unboxing video, and in this segment, in this floor, we got Rowan Freemaker, a droid, and this might be Roger from the Freemaker Adventures. We got this ship, and we got this, which looks like it could be like a snowmobile with a gun or anything. So, yeah, we'll see you. We'll see you for the next box opening, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.